Hey friends, Uncle Lim here. Do you know your front door is like a money magnet? But if it is set up wrong, your wealth will disappear. Today, I will show you 3 common mistakes and how to fix them. No renovation needed. Mistake number 1. Your front door directly faces a bedroom door. In Feng Shui, bedrooms are wealth bath. They should never be in a straight line with the entrance. This speeds up energy and kicks money out like an angry landlord. To fix it, add a partition or bookshelf to break the line. Mistake number 2. Seeing your kitchen stove from the door. Fire energy burns your cash flow. And if you spot the sink or fridge, water wash wealth away. Double the trouble. To fix it, place a tall plant like lucky bamboo or use a foldable screen to break the line. Mistake number 3. Toilet visible from the door. Every flush take your money luck with it. Toilets are energy black holes. You don't want your wealth sucked in. To fix it, add a screen or hang a curtain. No space, just give the door close. See the difference? Small change, big results. Try this for 21 days and watch your money luck grow. Comment below which hack will you try first. And subscribe because next week I'm reviewing where to hide a money bone to double your income. You don't want to miss it.